It's been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year. For a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. No one's coming over.
I feel like I put more on this side. I ain't put that much on though, for real. I gotta go put some clothes on and do something to my head because we gotta go in like 45 minutes. Cause I gotta go on the bus. I would leave earlier, but I already know like my classes because I used to go there all the time. It's in the Kelly building. I just don't know which room it's in, so that's kind of the issue. I'm gonna find it. I gotta get dressed though. I'm gonna show y'all my fit when I figure out what the heck I'm wearing because I really don't know. I really don't know. Honestly, if it's your first time going to college, I recommend getting up earlier. I got up like 2 hours earlier just because I knew I wanted to film and stuff for my Ray babes, okay? But if you get up like an hour and a half earlier, that should be fine too. And like eat breakfast. Just cook food. Or at least keeping snacks in your bag is important for college because you gonna get hungry in class and thirsty. Yeah, get some of them, put them in your bag, and go to class, okay? Period. But let me get dressed. I've been talking a lot, so yeah. Don't mind my room. It's still under construction. It's a little city fit. I put my purse in here too. So I'm like, I found my ID. I knew it was in there, but like I be forgetting sometimes. Walk my class. It's hot. Oh my god. I'm late already. Okay. I got out of my last class like 30 minutes ago. I got me a smoothie. It took like 30 minutes. And I'm walking to my other class because it's gonna start in like 20 minutes. And I low-key gotta find it. I know where the building is because it was right next to where we always used to be at. But I don't know like which part of the building it's in. You feel me? So I'll find that and then I'm going home because I left my charger and you know I need my phone, so definitely go home, probably take a nap, then I'm probably gonna come back to campus and take some pictures because I look cute, okay? I just got out of class. That class is boring. I should have just kept that class last semester instead of dropping it because I do not want to take that class again. I'm really about to go home after I get some food because it's too much going on. Heck. I didn't really show y'all the inside of the house, so this is what I'm showing y'all. Don't mind that. That's just my stuff that I just put right here. I'm finna take it in my room, clean up, get stuff together, decorate, and all that good stuff. But we got our food and stuff up. That's my food right there that I just got. This is a little patio thing, and this the other bathroom. It's actually really cute. I like it. But I'm finna wash my clothes, eat, watch TV. I honestly don't want to leave up here because the door won't lock and I don't know what's going on. But I'm definitely about to wash my clothes, if anything else, because I don't know, it's making me feel weird. And I had to call the maintenance people so they could come fix it. But I'm the only one here though because everybody else got classes. I only had 2 classes today. I think I only have 2 classes like every day except for Fridays. I don't have no classes, so that's dope. But yeah, right, babes, I hope y'all enjoyed my little like get ready with me this morning. My first class was cool. It was just packed and I got there late because I didn't know where it was for real. I knew where the building was, but I didn't know where the room was. And then my second class was like boring. I already told y'all that. So bye, right, babes. I'll talk to y'all later. It's a pretty big gym actually. This crap is huge. I guess that's for Spia and Kelly. It's a place to do homework. That's really cool. That's crazy. That's dope. I came back to look at my old dorm and it's so nice. Like, this the bottom part where they all have construction. When you walk downstairs, got another computer lab. I guess they still building, so it's cool. It's giving Briscoe vibes and I'll mess with it. I lived in McNutt, by the way. They gonna make a practice room. I guess they still like constructing it, but he built a cafe and it looks really nice up there now. Like, it's crazy they would make it look nice when I don't live here no more. Like, stop playing. Stop playing. And all of this like buffet style now. All the residents have buffet style. It's so nice. Wow. Just the rest. It's really nasty down here though, so I'm going back upstairs. Y'all, the stairs even look so much nicer. Like, really giving Briscoe vibes. I'm here for it. Look. Bro. This always construction. But y'all, I bet this gonna be grass next year. My dorm like right there. One of them, I think it was that one right there. All of this was construction. They still doing the back of that building, I guess, but it looks so nice. Do you hear me? This building was blue. That's crazy. It was like this the whole year. I hope they get done with this quick. I want to see it. That's crazy. They really look so nice in there now. It's huge. Look how big this field is, y'all. Dang.